What's up, Flo? My name is Navan, and I'm here with Yield Karma. We're here to show you our microloan servicing marketplace where small businesses from emerging markets and developing countries can apply for microloans to support their businesses, and crypto investors can invest their crypto into uh, these microloans and earn interest as a form of income. So I'm going to take you through a demo of our website and what we do. First, we're going to connect a wallet. Immediately, I'm prompted with whether I'm a business or an investor, so we can pick our role. In this case, I'm a business/borrower. I'll connect this wallet as that. So we're registering. Cool. It's just taking a second, but yeah, here we go. So one of the first things you'll notice in our wallet, we have this karma score. Karma, so just like a loan in the real world, in fiat currency, sorry, just like a loan in fiat currency, you have to have some kind of way of or a metric of deciding like how much loans can you give a person and at what interest rates based on risk assessment. And so we created an AI model that works as an engine, taking a crypto wallet and using an API to grab all of its financial data and then uh, providing some kind of karma score, which you can see here that's then used to calculate loans and interest rates. And we can see that based on my wallet age, transactions volume, and the overall transaction history, it is able to come up with a karma score of 77. And I would go to the borrower dashboard. Because I'm a karma of 77, the max loan I can get is 200 flow. And so I'll apply for this loan, 200 flow. Maybe I don't even need 200. I would need 175 flow loan. Say I paid over the course of 6 months. It's in the field of agriculture. It's a cow milk business that I run. And so one of the key features we've added here is an emergency contacts feature, which is kind of the point of something like this is that like we did some market research to try to understand ways we could potentially protect our loans when we're sending money to like a completely different country. And we learned about the strategy that a lot of microfinancing companies use where they actually reach out to people within a certain borrower's network, like their parents or their relatives or something. And those relatives will actually hold them accountable and shame them if they don't pay. Literally, like these very collectivist societies, these kind of social factors actually play a role in holding people accountable. So this emergency contacts is kind of us emulating that feature. And so I'll put the two people who hold me the most accountable in the world, and I'll put down their phone numbers. These are not the actual phone numbers, but some random numbers to represent it. You can also put an image if you like, and submit the application. Cool. And it's submitting. It's taking a second. Cool. Loan submitted. If I go to Marketplace, I see all the different loans that people are that are available in the Marketplace, and one such loan is this microloan. Is my microloan. Cool. So now I'm going to switch wallets. I'm going to switch to the investor wallet that I've set up. Let me go to it real quick. We'll hold up, disconnect, connect wallet, register as an investor, and hold up. And now I have access to the marketplace where I can invest in all these things. And you'll notice that there's value in putting a picture and a description because I can read these, and this is kind of like these small businesses pitch on why you should loan me. And I don't know how good this pitch is, but sure, I want to invest in cow milk business. So you can fully fund it. You can also partially fund it, as you see, like up here, only 35% funded. But I'm gonna fully fund this just to show the various features of the website. Yeah, and I invested. One of the other things I really like about this gallery view is it just makes it really easy to just look at businesses and decide what I want. Invest at super convenient means. But anyways, investment successful. If I go to my investor dashboard, I can see that this investment is active. So far, 0 flow earned because my borrower has not paid any of their loan back. So let's go to the business side. Just connect to the business wallet, and yeah, cool. So loan progress 0. Our loan is active. We've been paid the amount, and now let's say we want to pay one of the installments. The idea being you're supposed to pay monthly, but you can pay earlier if you want. And so confirm this transaction of this first transaction of 29.9 flow, and you'll see once this processes, payment successful. We're at 16.7% paid, 5 payments left. Awesome. Let's go on the investor side to see what it looks like from there. And cool. On the investor dashboard, boom, 0.7292 flow just earned, 0.42% ROI so far, and we're 16.7% complete with our investment. I really like especially this statistic right here, which I think is really valuable towards the investor to really easily just quickly see how much money am I making off this investment of mine. And of course, you can apply to even more loans. And one of our next steps that we're working on is the staking feature. It's like it's an investment pool, basically, almost like an ETF, where you and other crypto investors can all pool your money together into a group of small businesses to send loans out to. So for example, this is an agri pool where specifically for agriculture businesses that are providing loans, and you can stake it. This is the next feature, so we haven't finished building that, but this is kind of a proof of concept. Another feature I wanted to mention that we're kind of wanting to work on building is a KYC, a KYC, which is just a way of further verifying and protecting our loans. And we do this through something like Gitcoin or a Gitcoin password or World ID or Bright ID, one of those kind of KYC services. And yeah, that's our demo. That's everything in our app so far. I really hope you enjoyed what we had, and thank you so much for listening.